Hello there, today we will be unboxing Logitech's G305 gaming wireless mouse. G305 and 304 are basically the same mouse, but the name was different according to the zones where they were selling in. So here we have it. After opening the box, we are greeted with the pull tab. From here I am able to pull the mouse out, and the packaging was good, as I can say. So here is the mouse in the pouch. Let's take the mouse out. Here we have it, a very compact sized mouse, and to be honest the quality is decently good. So here is the wireless dongle. Here you put the cell, and let's close it up and let's see what we got inside the box. So here is the extension cable which we get in the box. This helps to minimize the lag between wireless dongle and the mouse. So you can plug your dongle inside of this female connector and extend that. So as we can see, there is a turn on and turn off switch. And yeah, let's come to the feature of the mouse. Now as you can see, it has a DPI of 12,000 and it has a hero sensor which is very power efficient. Let me show you how. As you can see, let me turn on the mouse. It does not have a red LED inside of it because it's not an optical sensor. Let's talk about the design of the mouse. As you can see, it's a very compact and good mouse. For me, my hands are very normal sized, and to be honest with you, this is a very comfortable mouse which I had earlier compared to that. And then we have 6 buttons, two here, and one and two here. So this button is used for the DPI change, and now this mouse has software also. It has an onboard memory. With the help of this button you can change the DPI with the help of onboard memory. And here we have the scroll wheel, which is very simple to be honest, but it's very responsive. Let's talk about the software. Here you can see G305 has been registered, and you can change your sensitivity from here. Here you can change your performance in endurance mode, and from here you can customize your buttons actions like forward and backward. G shift is not for our mouse, but still it's a neat function. The second factor would be the price. On the box, as you can see, let me see, the price would be somewhere around 3,800 rupees. Okay, yeah, here it is, 3,795. It's more or less 3,800 rupees, but I got this for 2,800 rupees at the offline, and online it cost around like 3,800. And the name of this mouse is G305, but you can go on Google, Amazon, and purchase 304. They are basically the same, but the name and is different because of the regions where it was supposed to be sold in. Now let's talk about the cells. The plus and minus point of this mouse is going to be an AA battery. Well, this is the battery which did not come with the mouse, it came with an Duracell. Now for some of you, removable batteries is going to be a plus point and minus point. Now it does not have a rechargeable battery, but it has a plus point. See, if you want to change your cell, just change it and replace it. It would be done under like mostly like in seconds, and you will have a working mouse again. Now you can overcome this problem while purchasing an rechargeable cell kit. Now I purchased this circuit for around 1,000 rupees because it was in smart charger. That's why it costed me around 1,000 rupees, and I was using this cell. This is a nickel metal hydride battery. It has 2,800 mAh, same as Duracell, and because of this you can use this mouse on a performance mode. Let's talk about performance mode. Now on performance mode, this mouse can work for 250 hours. It is equal to 10 hours, 10 days and 10 hours. And if you put this mouse on endurance mode, you will get 9 months of battery life, but you will sacrifice your DPI. But because I have a rechargeable cell, I'm going to use this mouse on performance mode only, so that is going to be a plus point. So this mouse also have a sleep function, believe me or not. The dongle, when it does not receive the 5 volts or the voltage, it will automatically go on the sleep mode, and it would be blinking blue before going on the sleep mode, and when you will just shake the mouse, it will come again and it will show you the blue light. So this is one of the best features which I found in this mouse. Maybe it's going to be in the mouse which are currently available in the market, but yeah, you are getting a Logitech mouse which has a 2 year, yeah, it has a 2 year limited warranty on it. So even if this mouse go bad, if this mouse is having some manufacturing problems, you can go to the service center and you are going to get a service because it's a reputed brand. That's why I decided to go for this. I currently use this mouse on 1000 dpi, and to be honest, it's a very smooth mouse because out of the box you can see these skates are very slippery and very smooth. Out of the box, many mouse does not have this kind of skates in a budget segment. That's why I decided to go for Logitech, because to be honest, it's a gaming wireless mouse, so everything is going to be tuned for the gaming. So that was it. See you in the new video. Goodbye.